Willman Education. Welcome, dear learners. Today you are going to know about the profit and loss. Aman bought a watch for rupees 2000 and sold it for rupees 2700. Find his profit and profit percentage. Solution: here CP of the watch equals to rupees 2500 and SP of the watch equals to rupees 2700. In this, SP is greater than CP. You have to observe it very carefully. So profit is made since SP is greater than CP. Therefore, profit equals to SP minus CP. When you want to calculate profit, then if selling price is greater and your cost price is less, then you will minus it, SP minus CP. That means 2700 rupees minus rupees 2500 equals to rupees 200 rupees. Again, profit percent. Here is the profit, 8% profit. So I have done the working in the board as you do not have any confusion. 200 rupees profit out of your cost price, that is CP, 2500 into 100, and thereby you got 8%. Question number 2. Mark bought a bag for rupees 800 and sold it for rupees 750. Find his profit or loss percent. Here you have to observe the thing very carefully. Over here what we see that SP is lesser than CP. That means loss is made. CP of bag is rupees 800 and SP of bag, that is selling price of bag, is rupees 750. So here is loss. Therefore, loss equals to 800 rupees minus 750 rupees equals to 50 rupees. So the loss percent equals to 50 by 800, because 800 is your cost price, into 100%. So if you cancel it, then you will get 25 by 4, ultimately you will get 6.25 or 1 by 4%. The working is done over here. You can check the working I have done in this way in the board. Here we come to know how to calculate profit, that is when SP is greater than CP, then only profit, and when SP is lesser than CP, then it is loss. Remember it. Number 3 question. If the cost price of 8 oranges is equal to the selling price of 6 oranges, find the gain percentage. Very interesting sum. Let the CP of 8 oranges equals to SP of 6 oranges equals to rupees X. It is supposed, okay. Therefore, CP of each orange equals to rupees X by 8 and SP of each orange is X by 6 rupees. Here X by 6 is greater than X by 8, so it is a profit. So here you can see X minus 6 minus X minus 8, we get X by 24, that is rupees. So profit percent, how we find that? Profit by CP into 100, and this way we calculate. Here some algebraical method is also used by taking X, that also you have to remember it. So profit percent X by 24 into 8 by X into 100. So 100 by 3%, that is 33, 1 by 3%, or 33.33 you can say, or you can stop it by saying 33.34%. Okay, that is coming under the decimals, recurring decimals, when it is going on 333 like this after the decimal, then we just give the higher number, that is 4. Here I have done the sums in the board, how I have got it. So calculations I showed you here in the board, as you do not have any confusion. Question number 4. Onyx sold a pen for rupees 75 and gained 25%. If he would have sold it for rupees 90, what would be his gain percent? So here you have to observe the transaction very carefully. What he has done, that he sold the pen for rupees 75 and gained 25%. That means he made a profit, but he wanted to make more profit by selling 90%, 90 rupees. So what will be the gain percent? So here is the solution. Let the CP equals to 100 and SP is equal to 125%, because 100 is a CP and 25% is your gain inclusive of profit. Therefore, CP of pen SP by gain percent into 100. So SP by 125 into 100. So 75 by 125, that if you cancel by 25, then 3 by 5 into 100, and then rupees 60 is your answer. That means CP is your 60 rupees. Okay. He sold it for 75 rupees, thereby he got 25% profit. So your cost price, that is rupees 60. And now you wanted to make it more profit by selling 90 rupees. So what would be the gain percentage? That was our next concern. So here the thing comes. Again, if he would have sold it for rupees 90, his gain would be rupees 90 minus 60 equals to rupees 30. So gain percent, how to calculate gain percent? Gain by CP into 100. So gain is 30 rupees. Your CP means Onyx CP is 60 into 100. 1 by 2, that is 30 and 60 into 100. So 50% gain it would be. Number 5 sum. Imran bought a watch for rupees 2400. For how much should he sell it to gain 10%? That's another interesting sum. Solution. Here CP is 2400, profit percent is 10%. Therefore, SP equals to profit percent by CP is dropped over here, I think, yeah, into CP. So 20 by 100 into 2400, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 into 2400 equals 480. Number 6, Rakesh sold a cycle for rupees 14,000 at a gain of 12%. For how much did he buy it? That means your cost price. You have to find your cost price. He already gained, okay, by selling 14,000. So here SP equals to rupees 1400. It's a 14,000 it will be, okay. Gain percent 12. Therefore 100 by 112, that is 14,000. So rupees 12,500 is your cost price. Number 7, on selling a Almirah for rupees 16,200, a shopkeeper loses 10%. For what amount should he sell it to gain 15%? So that's another interesting sum. Loss, then again recovering the loss, you are going to gain 15%. That was his expectation. So here the SP equals to rupees 16,200, loss equals to 10%. Therefore CP We know 100% always we consider CP. So CP and 90. So thereby we have calculated and 18,000 rupees we got it. Okay. Again this CP is equal to 18,000 rupees. So profit you wanted to make 15,000, sorry 15%. Therefore SP equals to 115 by 100. That means inclusive of the profit 100 plus 15, that is 115 into 18,000. So 20,700 is the expected price you wanted to get. Remember that gain percent, when you want to find the gain percent or profit percent, gain you have to calculate and thereby you have to put the, this is the ratio. In case of gain percent, remember SP is always greater, but in case of loss percent always SP is lesser. Please subscribe and share the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.